I decided to begin by making a scatter plot of each of these points that were given. And so I find it easier to develop my model this way because it's going to allow me to draw my line of best fit in order to essentially use this line to create my model. And so I can see that I want to have a line that's going to have a positive slope, and we can essentially draw it right through here. And although it doesn't cross at our origin, it has a pretty good estimate of our line. In fact, I think I'm going to make it a little bit steeper in order to have a more equal number of points above and below our line. So we can see that this is now a fairly good line of fit here. So